if you're gonna ride a motorcycle, please wear your gear. I am so tired of seeing pointless injuries due to accidents that could have been avoided if the person was just wearing gear. Like, I know it's hot. Trust me, I understand. Thankfully, LA doesn't get too hot, but I've been to Texas during the summer, and it is unbearable. I know, I get it, but please still wear your gear. Dress for the slide, not for the ride. And if you're like, but it sucks, I don't want to wear gear. I know you're a big boy and girl, but let's be smart about things, because you know what's better than not dying? Nothing. It was a trick question. Nothing's better than that. So let's just wear our gear and be safe on the road. Because if you're not going to wear gear, I have a feeling you're going to ride a little crazy. And if you're going to ride a little crazy, at least have some protection on you. You know what I mean? So I'm just looking out for you guys. I just want everyone to be safe. I want you guys to never have to use your insurance policies. You know what I mean?